In this video we are going to trade the currency pair AUDCAD for the whole year 2019 with an algo trading system that can be downloaded on the website algorithmictradingsystem.com. The current risk setting is 60. We use the adaptive moving average to create entry signals. We are using an original MetaTrader 5 demo account, as you can create one with a few mouse clicks in MetaTrader to compare it with your own results. Do you like surprises? I think actually most people would say yes, but indeed not all surprises are good. The surprises that you don't like are called problems. And problems are unavoidable. From time to time you will have problems, no matter what you do. We cannot predict the future. Nobody exactly knows what the price is going to do next. But that doesn't mean that there are not enough people out there who try to predict it. Those people are called experts, and from time to time they might be right with their predictions, but let me ask you a question. If those experts are really able to predict the future, why should they talk about what is going to happen? Wouldn't it be better to keep it a secret and use the knowledge about the future to trade it? I believe that the best way to deal with the future is to do the following: expect the market to do one of three things. It can go up, it can go down, or it can go sideways. If you have a good system that is able to deal with these three situations based on probabilities, you might actually have something that works. And then you would no longer try to predict the future, would you? You can download the free version for the algorithmic trading system below the video on our website algorithmictradingsystem.com. It will work with original MetaTrader 5 demo accounts. If you are interested to learn more, or if you are interested to trade this system on a real account, make sure to become a starter member for just $1.